Hey, it's Maria here, and today I'm going to teach you how to add watermarks to your contact sheet in Lightroom. So here we are in Adobe Lightroom Classic, and if you want to do contact sheets, you've got to make sure you are in Lightroom Classic, which is the desktop version of Lightroom, and it looks quite different to just the standard Lightroom, which is cloud-based, because you'll notice you'll have the tabs at the top here: Library, Develop, Map, Book, Slideshow, Print, and Web. So to make a contact sheet, I've made a video on that already, so you might want to check that out. I'll link that up the top if you don't know how to make a contact sheet, but I'm going to select the photos I want in my contact sheet. Don't look too closely at the photos because this isn't my final selection. This is just all my raw files, and they're selfies, so they're not all in focus. So what you want to do is you want to go up to Print, and those are all the files I chose to go on my contact sheet. And you come down here, and I've actually got it ticked on at the moment, but it will usually be off. You go to watermarking, tick it on, and then come over here to where it says Untitled Preset. Click that and go down to Edit Watermarks. And you'll notice I've just got here a little like Copyright Maria Eves, and it's sitting in the corner here. You can type whatever you want in there for your watermark, or you can actually come up here and choose a file if you want to put your logo or something in there. But I'll start off by showing you just how to use the text like this. So that's quite small, and to me, I'm like, there's probably not much point watermarking it if I'm just going to have it down there. That's more just like for a credit. So if you scroll down here, you can choose wherever you want it to be positioned by clicking one of these boxes where it says anchor. So I want it in the middle, and I want it to be a bit bigger than that. So I'm going to come up here to size and drag this up. You can see it's getting bigger, but I don't want it to be like that in your face. I want it to be more subtle and a bit transparent. So I'm going to come up here to opacity and just drag that down until I'm happy with it. So I'll probably leave it about there. And then you can actually save this as a preset. If you go here, save current settings as a new preset, and then add a new name for it. I might just call this Maria. Oops. Maria. And then create. And then done. And then if you want to watermark your photos again, you can just choose the preset that we just made, Maria. And then you'll notice all of the photos in your contact sheet are now watermarked. If we wanted to do it with your logo, go back down to Edit Watermarks, and you can go up here, Watermark Style Graphic, and then choose, I'm going to search my logo, and I'm going to choose this one. You can do that, or you can actually just click choose here. And so you'll see it's got kind of the same settings as I had before. It's kind of, the opacity is at 30 and the size is at 55. So it's taken the settings I had before, but used my logo. So I quite like the size that it's got, but I want it to be a bit more obvious. So I put my opacity up a bit to maybe like 37. If I put it right up, you can see what my logo actually looks like on there. I might actually make it a bit bigger. I'll drag the opacity back down and then make the size a bit bigger. There you go. So that's just an example of how you could use a logo for your watermark. You just either click graphic here or click choose, and it will come up with a box for you to choose your file that you want to use. So I might just make this one into a preset as well. Save current settings as a new preset. Logo, preset, I'll call it. Create, and then I'll go done, and now it's changed it to that. If I want to change it back to my other one, I can go down here to Maria and it changes it back to that one. Personally, I like having a white logo or white text for a watermark better than the black one that like my logo. So if I wanted to use my logo, I'd probably actually I'd change the logo to be white with a transparent background. If you want to learn how to make a logo with a transparent background like this one is, leave me a comment and I will be happy to make a video for you. So I hope that helped, and I am going to make another video on how to add watermarks to your photos if you want to export photos, not just contact sheets. If you want to just export all your photos with a watermark on, you might want to use it, I don't know, for a gallery online or something, and upload each photo with a watermark. So I'll do another video on that as well, so keep an eye out for that one.